That's the stuff that scares me. A brief note about the golden gamma squeeze. Gamma squeeze is a situation where enthusiastic investors buy a lot more call options, out of the money, short-term call options on an underlying security which is rising, in this case, gold. Gold's been going up for 10 years and it's accelerated this year, and in the last month it was up 30% in January. There's been speculation that buyers are coming out of all kinds of crazy countries because of regime change. Maybe it's China, maybe it's Russia, maybe it's Iran, maybe it's Cuba, maybe it's Venezuela. Maybe it's all of them and it's all happening in Miami or Chicago. Who knows? We don't know who these speculators are, but they lost a lot of money when they had to liquidate their positions on margin calls. And that's why gold dropped $1,200 in 3 days from January 29th to February 2nd or 3rd. The point is, this has got nothing to do with fundamentals. The gold valuation and supply and demand dynamics are the same. This is what they call a mechanically reinforced options dynamic. And that's the stuff that scares me because it can happen in the stock market too. So get used to a lot more volatility, stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, you name it. At the end of the day, stick with what you know. Follow the data. Recognize that the US economy is doing well. It's expanding. Corporate profitability is expanding. Profit margins at the S&P 500 level are going to come in, looks like, in the fourth quarter at 13.2%. That's the highest profit margin number ever recorded. So corporate America is doing fine. And being in the S&P 500, especially overweight technology and defense, is probably a pretty good place to be. And it's even stronger, I think, for the economy that we see it's starting to sort of broaden out a little bit. You've got materials doing better. You've got financials doing better. You've got real estate doing better. You've got healthcare doing better. Consumer staples are doing better. Consumer discretionary is doing better. So travel is doing better. So I think the stock market's in pretty good shape, and I think portfolios will be in pretty good shape. Stick with the data. Ignore the headlines. Don't listen to all the rampaging nonsense out there because at the end of the day, it really doesn't mean that much.